guys, so we're in the car now and you can see we have a whole bunch of stuff back here. My couch is actually in the bed of his truck and I'm so excited to finally have it out of my bedroom. Well, the cushions are still at my house, but the big part, so I'm excited to show you guys. We're gonna have to do, I feel like three, maybe 4 trips. All right guys, the couch is in. Although obviously I still have to bring the cushions. Guys, look how empty it all is. Look, no dresser, no more dresser. All right, we're on to our second trip and look, we got pretty much everything else. My bed, and then everything else is pretty much just little stuff that we have to take, so we're getting so close. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. So now it's been a few days since the last clip. I've been living here for a few days, like maybe a week. I'm currently just sitting in the living room and it's a total disaster, like total disaster. I'll show you in a second, but I thought that the perfect way to kick off my videos in my new condo would be to do a clean with me, because I know y'all love that and motivates me a lot more to clean when I know that I'm like doing it together with y'all, because I'm gonna clean and then maybe while you're cleaning your room, you can watch this video and it'll just be like, we'll be cleaning together kind of. All right, I'm gonna show you guys something. I just like looked down and realized how weird it looks the way I'm sitting. Like it's comfortable and I didn't even think about it, but I feel like it looks weird. Anyways, moving on. Last night I started the process and then I left it just a complete disaster because I was so tired. I just went to sleep. And so this morning I want to get a good clean living room. Okay, so here's a little overview of my room at the moment. This is my Christmas decor box. That's my fall decor box. I started kind of going through and reorganizing all of it because I had everything in this box. And then just like garbage bags over there. My couch is a disaster, but isn't it so cute? I love my couch. Also, quick note about my couch. I did purchase it off of Letgo, so you know, it was just a private seller that I purchased it from. But it is the Raymore and Flanagan Cindy Crawford home couch, or like from that line. So I'll have it linked in the description box if you wanted to see. Again, I did not purchase it new, I purchased it used. So yeah, but I'll have the link for it new in the description box if you want to check it out. Okay, so whenever you clean a room, the first step is always to take care of the focal point in the room. For example, you know, whenever I do a bedroom cleaning routine, y'all know I always make the bed first, just because it immediately makes it look cleaner and gives you that kind of initial motivation to keep going when you see that you accomplished something. And then obviously for the living room, the focal point is the couch. So very first step, I'm going to be fluffing up the pillows, laying out the blankets to look nice, arranging the throw pillows how I want them, and it immediately makes the room look 10 times cleaner. And then the second step is to make sure that the floors are all cleared off. Maybe your floors aren't that bad. Clearly mine are right now. So first things first, I wanted to get these giant bins out of the way. So in order to do that, I had to finish organizing and kind of separating out my fall and Christmas decor because they were all in one bin and I wanted to separate them out just so it was a little more organized and I could store them away, and it's super easy when the season comes. And a really important habit to develop if you don't already do it is when you are cleaning, I know it can sometimes be tempting to just take stuff and put it in a different room if your only goal is to get that one space looking clean, but it's really important to actually put things back in their place right away when you're doing your cleaning. And if something doesn't have a place, then take a few minutes to figure out a home for it and think, okay, where would be a good place for this to go so that next time I'm cleaning, I know exactly where to put it back. Okay, so the focal point and the floors are totally done. Time to move on to the surfaces, which I don't know why, but is one of my favorite parts. First, I'm just moving all my makeup over to this side table. I don't have a makeup desk yet, so I've just kind of kept it out in my living room so that in the morning I can do it on my coffee table. But this weekend I will be getting a new one, so that will all be moved to my bedroom. And then I'm going ahead and clearing off the rest of the coffee table, you know, just moving everything back to its place, putting the trash away. And I know you're probably curious what multi-surface cleaner I'm using because I really switch it up all the time. Just kidding. Y'all know, not sponsored at all. They don't even know who I am, but my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner is my favorite. I love it. So that's what I'm using, of course. And of course, after I put everything back on my coffee table, I realized, wait a second, Kat, you have to move your coffee table so you can vacuum. So I just moved everything off, dragged my coffee table to the other side of the floor so I could vacuum the carpet, and then I'm just vacuuming. And if you were curious, my vacuum is the Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro. My mom got it for me from Costco for Christmas, I believe, but I'll have it linked in the description if you're interested in a vacuum. I really like it. Cleans really nice. And then here we are back, round 2 of decorating my coffee table or moving everything back onto it. And then once that was done, my living room was clean. It's so exciting to finally be doing cleaning routines that aren't just my bedroom. So I hope you guys are as pumped as I am and enjoyed this as much as I did.
Kiss me hard, forget them judging eyes.
If you're watching this on the day that I upload it, you'll probably notice it's Sunday, even though I normally upload on Saturdays, but I did decide that I'm going to change my uploading schedule to every Sunday, so you can expect new videos from me every Sunday now. Then occasionally, if I upload 2 videos a week, I wanted to ask y'all what would be your preferred second upload day. Let me know in the comments. And then to add on to that comment, if you watch into this part, comment chocolates. I'm looking at my yummy chocolates on there. Comment chocolates if you watch until this part. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And I love you guys, and I'll see you next Sunday in a brand new video.